scholars have been going sideways into a triangular vortex since the bottom of the crash in 2008. It took a bounce up and then back down again, and then up again, and then down again. And what's happened is it's made two cycles inside this triangle. Now, normally in these kind of triangles, they're usually at least three cycle events. So my expectation was that it would take a bounce up at this point, go back up, retest the 87 area. But that's not what's happened, which has really surprised me. What happened is it broke through what they call the support line in about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it went below 75 down to 74 something. It's taken a small bounce now, but the point is that it broke the support, which really is an odd wave. Normally these kind of triangles don't break out until they've gone the full length of normally a three-wave cycle. So anyway, the point is that if it does continue downward, it's going to test the all-time low, which is about an index of about 70. If it doesn't hold at 70, if it doesn't stay above that level, then the wheels are going to come off the car. It's going to start taking this last third wave down. Now, the third wave could take a year to get to the bottom. In other words, generally declines are faster than run-ups. But if it does break 70, what I would do is I would make sure that I'm in someplace safe where there's food. In other words, I wouldn't want to be sitting in the city where stores could get cleaned out in 8 hours and gas stations can be, all the gas will be out of the gas stations in a similar amount. Once it hits, basically what's going to happen is that the gold and silver are going to rally. They're going to go the opposite direction, and oil is going to go straight up as well. Because any time the dollar's purchasing power goes down, all those commodities will go immediately in another direction. They'll go upward, basically because the paper money isn't buying anything. What we have to remember is that we're dealing with Federal Reserve notes, which are non-interest-bearing debt notes. They are not money, as base Constitution defines money as gold and silver. They're basically IOUs from a private bank. And the really interesting thing that happened about a week ago is that the Federal Reserve admitted that they don't have any gold on hand.